Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking about a delicious and healthy way to lose weight, the smoothie diet. If you're someone who loves the taste of smoothies and wants to shed those extra pounds, this diet is perfect for you. The smoothie diet is a diet plan that involves replacing your regular meals with smoothies made from fresh fruits and vegetables. These smoothies are packed with nutrients and help you feel full, making it easier to control your calorie intake and lose weight. The best part about this diet is that you can make smoothies at home with ingredients that are easily available at your local grocery store. All you need is a good blender and some fresh fruits and vegetables. There are many different smoothie recipes that you can try on this diet, and they're all delicious and nutritious. From green smoothies to fruit smoothies, there's something for everyone. One of the reasons why this diet is so effective for weight loss is that it's low in calories but high in nutrients. This means that you can still get all the vitamins and minerals your body needs without consuming too many calories. Another great thing about the smoothie diet is that it's easy to track your progress. By weighing yourself regularly and keeping track of your calorie intake, you can see how much weight you're losing and adjust your diet accordingly. Of course, no diet is complete without exercise. While the smoothie diet can help you lose weight, it's important to combine it with regular exercise to get the best results. So there you have it, the smoothie diet, a delicious and healthy way to lose weight. If you're looking for a new way to shed those extra pounds, give this diet a try. And if you're interested, I have a 21-day delicious weight loss smoothie diet plan in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.